So today we have free sample pack from Cymatics, and this sounds so good, so awesome. It has got 808 loops, it has got midis, and when I first listened to that sample pack, it filled my head with lot of vibe, giving me inspiration. And about Cymatics, these guys produce the best sound, and their sounds are so well mixed that most of the time you don't have to do your own mixing. You just put drag and drop their samples to the beat, and all you have to do is just level up the volume. That's it. And their sounds are really high quality sounds. I love it, and I bet you have the same feeling for Cymatics too. Alright, enough of talking. I just can't help myself to appreciate these guys, because you will know what I'm talking about when I'm gonna let you hear the sounds. Okay, alright, so here we go. The link will be in the description like always. No external links, direct links to the website, no ads, no nothing. You know how we do it. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Anyway, so you can see it will bring you to their website, Cymatics, and the sample pack is Oracle. And you know what? It is $141, but they are giving it away for free. Even if you pay $141, I think this is completely worth it. Completely. But they are giving it away for free. I don't know how long. So go ahead, click the link, download here. But yeah, you may need to provide your name and email address, to download this file. So yeah, you have to download it. Put the name and email. Let me show you, and click download. By the way, I've already downloaded, so I'm just showing you the process. And now you have to click on this part, download now, and it's downloading right here. Okay, let me just cancel that. Let me just close that. Now let's just extract it, and I'm gonna say extract to Cymatics, and it will just create a folder. Let me just give it some moment to extract. And yeah, I'm gonna delete that because I don't need that anymore. So here we have the folder. Now let me show you how this sample sounds. Okay, this is the fun part. So I'm gonna open up LMMS. I'm gonna close this and this and this. So let me locate the folder, and here we are. So let us first check this bad boys out, 808s. So yeah, that's the 808 right there. Now let's check our melodies. Oh, just imagine 808 and snares on that. Woo, that these guys are really smooth. So yeah guys, that is it for the video. and tell me what you think about these packs. I know you're gonna love it. I hope you get inspiration from this pack. Make sure hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate that, and I'm gonna come up with more of such awesome packs and stuff. Alright, peace guys, I'm out.
I gave you my heart.